Welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. Our line of custom wrap removable coatings featuring easy peel technology continues to grow. We now have over 30 color options and a variety of finishes in aerosol, quarts, and gallons. Dupli-Color Custom Wrap is specially formulated for automotive customization, and the cool thing is, it's completely removable. That means you can change the look of your car, truck, SUV, or ATV, and then days or months later, simply peel it off. Custom Wrap is available in 6 neon colors, 2 glow-in-the-dark, 4 satin finish colors, and available in both matte and gloss clear. Our largest color offering is in the matte finish, and it continues to expand to over 20 colors now with the launch of our 5 new midnight colors. Custom Wrap is easy to apply. Simply make sure that you follow the prep and application instructions on the can label. And remember, it is recommended that regardless of which custom wrap finish or color you choose, that you either remove or recoat your vehicle 6 months after initial application. For more information on our complete custom wrap product line, check out our website at duplicolor.com.